Now question number 5. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Now here we have to show the cube of any positive integer. For that, let x be any positive integer, then it is in the form of 3q, 3q plus 1, 3q plus 2. These are the positive integers. Now we have to find its cubes. So for that, consider first x is equal to 3q. Now taking cube on both sides, so x cube is equal to 3 cube bracket cube. 3 cube is 27 and cube here. Now here you can take 9 outside the bracket and you can write in the bracket 3 cube cube. So this is in the form 9m we can write. This is our first equation where m is equal to 3 cube cube and m is some integer. Here again they want cube of the positive integer, so we consider the positive integer in terms cube. Now here we are going to find x is equal to 3 cube plus 1, the cube of the second positive integer. So taking cube on both sides, we will get 3 cube plus 1 bracket cube. Now this we have to expand according to the identity a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus the expansion you learn in 9th standard, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. According to this identity, we have to expand this. So the first term cube, that is 3 cube bracket cube plus 3a square b, that is 3a is 3q here, that means the first term is 3q, its square, the second term is 1. Now next is 3ab square. So 3, the first term is 3q and the second term is 1 its square plus b cube, that is 1 cube. So here in the next step 27 cube plus, now here 3 cube bracket square, that is 9q square. This 9 into 3 into 1, that is 9 3s are 27 q square plus, now here 1 square is 1, 1 into 3, that is 9 cube plus 1 cube is 1. Now here from the first 3 terms you can take 9 common, so 9 in bracket 3q cube plus 3q square plus q and write this plus 1 outside the bracket is equal to 9m plus 1. So this is our second equation where m is this bracket, that is 3q cube plus 3q square plus 1, plus q, and where m is any integer or some integer. So this is our first equation, x cube is equal to 9m, and the second equation is x cube is equal to 9m plus 1. Now let us see for the third integer, that is 3q plus 2. So x is equal to 3q plus 2. Taking cube on both the sides, x cube is equal to 3q plus 2 in bracket complete bracket cube. Again using the same identity, that is a plus b bracket cube. Expand this bracket. So 3 cube bracket cube plus 3q square into 2, that is the second term, plus 3 first term 3q, second term square, so 2 square plus the second term cube, that is 2 cube. 3 cube bracket cube is 27 cube plus 3 cube square, that is 9 cube square. 9 into 3, 27 into 2, that is 54 cube square. Now do the multiplication of this. 2 square is 4. 4 into this 3, that is 12. 12 into 3, 36. 36 cube plus 2 cube is 8. Now from these first 3 terms you can take 9 common outside the bracket. So what terms will remain in the bracket? Here 3 cube plus 6 cube square, because 9 6 are 54. So here 6 cube square plus 4 cube outside the bracket plus 8. So this we can write as 9m plus 8, and this is our third equation. Again here m is 3 cube plus 6 cube square plus 4 cube, and where m is any integer. So we will get here the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Here we proved the result. We get the required answer here. We got required answer here. So these sums I solved on the page. I am sending the pics of these pages. You write these sums in your notebook referring those pics properly.